Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you what is your elevation on Google Maps application. First we have to open Play Store, and now I'm going to tell you that you can't really check your elevation on Google Maps itself. You have to use any third application or official Google Earth app. So you have to download Google Earth and now enter that. Here you have to tap Get Started and Explore Earth. Here now you have to find the place of interest where you are now. For example, here we are now. Let me just get my location. Here we have as you can see, our elevation and our location. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.